Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see, once again, we're going to be making squid or calamari. This is a really simple version. We're not making any sort of egg or batter. Simply going to get our squid rings into some seasoned flour and fry them off. They're absolutely delicious. Okay, really simple. What we're going to need for this version today, I've got here some wheat flour. You could use corn flour if you wanted. We're going to season that with salt, pepper, and either chili powder or smoked paprika or a sweet paprika. You can choose whatever you want. Here we've got our squid rings. These are frozen, so what I've done is I just put them into some cold water and let them sit for a while so they're nice and soft now. If you wanted, some people will boil these for like 2 minutes in some salted water, and that will kind of make them just a little bit more tender. Really simple. We're going to get these together. So, an amount of flour, up to, we're going to put in now our salt, our pepper, and our paprika or chili powder. Now you can season it as much as you want. You could also be putting maybe in some garlic powder, onion powder, celery salt, a little bit of turmeric maybe. You can just really play around with this. Simply what we're going to do is get our squid in there and just give it a nice light coating. Now the version we're doing today doesn't involve any egg batter. We're going to go simply just like this. Let me finish those, then we're going to get them in a pan. Okay, you can see that I've dipped them in that flour and then just shaking them off. They've got a nice beautiful little coating. We're now going to heat some oil up. I'm using sunflower oil today. We're going to simply fry these off, they'll be done. Okay, so I've got my oil here, like a centimetre or so. And you can deep fry these if you want, like fully deep fry them. Just check this out. That's perfect there. So we don't want it really raging, but we certainly want those bubbles coming there. And I'm going to do these in a few batches. And we're going to cook these for about 4 minutes. Nice and golden brown is what we're looking for. Then they will come out and they will go onto some kitchen paper or towel, and then we're done. And there you go, that's what we're looking for, nice and crispy. So out they come onto some kitchen paper or kitchen towel, whatever you call that. We're then simply going to repeat the process, and then I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go, that's done. Just serving that with some mayonnaise with a little bit of garlic in and some lemon, and you can see a little bit of dressing. They're absolutely delicious, really quite simple, beautifully crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle. Hope that's helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.